ready to start the event.
You ready for Waffle House?
Oh my gosh. If I get food poisoning again, bro.
So point A is gonna be entry. Charlie, I'm gonna have you at point A. Natalie, you'll be there too with him until you move over to point C. Okay. So point A, all you're doing is asking if they're a spectator or if they're a show car.
Are we marking them?
Anybody notice Natalie's nails?
Woo!
Shiny!
Point B is gonna be Lily, Ben, and Carlitos to start.
Yeah, you're kicked out already.
Now this is where we're gonna have.
You're so unprofessional right now.
ADD kicking in.
And that's our boss guy.
Yeah, that's our boss.
So
We had a conversation about this.
she'll guide him to Nick. Nick, you're gonna be at point E.
F for Ferrari.
F is for Ferrari. Yep.
For fun-filled, fantastic.
I don't know what you guys are thinking.
Ferrari Fairyland. Yes.
Fairyland. Yeah.
Exactly.
Can we talk about what's in this box?
Ooh, well, let's talk about my lightsaber first. You push the button, listen, they go.
It's got a lightsaber on the hood.
Hear that?
Oh, I thought
I did not hear it.
Oh my god, what special effects, bro?
Okay, Jar Jar.
So they do the flashing, or they do the slower flashing, or they do the solid. So you guys have that. Make sure you shut them off when you're done. All right. So tonight
Ooh, goodies.
we've got our official STO shirts done. I want to hear oohs and ahs, please.
What the heck is that?
That's an STO. That's the mint. So they're 25 to everybody else, 60 to you guys. So if you guys want one,
I was gonna say. I'll take 10. Put it on Lily's tab.
75 if it's Lily.
What?
Ben, what's your task?
I'm parking. Spectator. I will be directing people today.
Nice.
Oh, look who it is!
Your little bird.
Look at this thing. How's it going? That thing's just whistling. What is this? You're gonna regret this later. Okay, get it? Okay. Okay. Alright, that's enough. Back to the cars. We don't usually talk about our vendors a lot, but today we're gonna do a little food review.
Shout out.
Alright, Derek said the strawberry shortcake ice cream is really good, so I'm gonna go get one and try it. Ooh, check that out. Strawberry shortcake. What up, bro? Ready for a food review? Oh, I got
doing it for real?
I got an extra spoon, yeah.
Right, you got a spoon for me. I'm gonna be hyper now.
Just that little bit of sugar.
Lily's shaved ice. It is the best shaved ice I've ever had, especially the strawberry shortcake.
Go ahead and let's open up the floodgates.
You look goofy, bro.
Yeah. Can't edit that out, right?
Is that going into two-step?
Hell no!
Come on! Come on! Dude, this thing's sick. Yeah, you can definitely two-step it. Come on, bro, you gotta do it. Come on. I'm gonna get a sick video of you.
Baby, I'll think about it.
What's going on in 15 minutes?
Two-step competition is coming up.
In 15 minutes.
go to VIP.
Are you putting the Ferrari in the two-step?
Does it two-step?
It does.
Make it go pop, pop, pop.
It'll pop, pop flame.
You've never done it. You should do it one day.
Why? So it can go in lit mode on me?
Now put the GTR.
No, it doesn't go on lit mode. All right, we can't hear Dave. So how does this work?
So, King of the Hill style. 1, 2.
Judgment.
Crowd chooses. Biggest flame, loudest pop. Let's see what happens.
Not even a. It's a Subi, bro. Hey, I convinced you, bro. We convinced you, bro.
Who's ready for this one? I'm gonna stand far from this. This is spit oil all up in my face. Black smoke everywhere. It's alright, you're building another one.
wasn't as bad though. It was
Fuck, no.
I still don't want to sit back there.
I'm sitting this one out. I can't do that.
It's so loud.
I can't do that again.
This shouldn't be too bad.
Yeah, no.
It shouldn't be that loud.
Have good flames, though.
Yeah, big flame.
You guys ready for this?
Where's your car? Where's your car? You should bring it.
What car?
Oh, that's who it is.
I need to back off a little bit, all right?
I'm scared. I'm not gonna go for it. I'm not going for it. Go. Easy. Yeah! Alright.
Yeah, that was good. I don't have hair left. So
I thought the flame was gonna hit you.
I don't have hair left. But it's all right. That one, 100%.
GTR! Let's have y'all do it again. Surprise.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
What surprise?
Okay. We got a little surprise after this round.
Doing it? Finally.
Put, okay?
It only took like 100 people to tell you.
We got a surprise
Finally.
after this round.
Finally. It only took like the whole crowd to tell them. Let's go.
You don't have to go that long. Just a couple of them and just leave.
Because we're going to be driving 2 hours and a half, and I don't want to have nothing happen.
Didn't it go into limp mode at the parade?
Yeah. Again, remember?
It overheated, yeah.
That was crazy.
Yeah. Now they start backing up.
this side, and we have the biggest flame on this side.
Everybody agree?
I think that's the decision on that, but we have one more car that's gonna come through here just for a little bit of show.
Tell us what's coming without yelling into the mic.
Pikachu.
Poor Pikachu, bro. Poor Pikachu. I feel
I
bad.
think it's good. Which one's better?
Pikachu,
Oh,
obvious.
this one's because this tune is different. Yeah.
Yeah, boom. There goes Pikachu. And Lightning McQueen, I'm about to get run over.
Yo, what's up?
Bye, bro. Ka-chow. And that's a wrap.
Stay shifting.
Come on, you gotta have more energy than that.
Stay shifting.